Hey guys, you should meet our snake. My snake. Our snake. Oops. He's like, look at the camera. See his eyes. His name is Juventud. He's a good size. He's so nice. Anyway, this is just another very small, quick update. I'm sitting in my room, and it's very boring. Where's my phone? Okay, and the tutorials on everything are coming soon. Yeah. What else is there to say? That's all I think there is that I was going to say. You have anything to say? No, but if you don't like snakes, you shouldn't be watching this. If you don't like snakes, don't subscribe at all. Don't even comment. This is try to guess and see what kind of snake this is. Comment below on what you think that didn't we already say it? No. If we said it, whatever, you can cheat, because I'm lazy. But, try to guess that is. Anyway, this is a quick update on my channel. Not really quick, it's like a minute every freaking video. Anyway, goodbye people. I love you. Shalom. That works. Ciao.